Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do your own chemical peel from your home, and this will involve you using two ingredients. We're going to be using citric acid and you're going to be using some almond oil as well. These two are very beneficial for you because it will help to brighten your skin and make it glow beautifully. Using citric acid can help you to slough away dead skin cells. It will speed up new cell turnover. It also promotes new skin growth that can help to remove age spots, acne scars, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, uneven texture. Though let me sound a note of caution here. Sometimes when you use citric acid on your skin, it might burn a bit, it might tingle, and you might have temporary redness. So it is very important for you to test it on your skin first before you do it. If you want to apply this on your skin, I would advise you to test it here first. If it does not itch, if it does not tingle, if it does not give any redness, then you're free to apply it all over your skin. The other ingredient we're going to be using is pure almond oil, and it is very nice for you to use the sweet almond oil because it is better suited for your skin. Almond oil contains vitamin A, vitamin E, which will help to prevent cell damage and reduce damage to the skin caused by the sun. It has omega-3 fatty acids. It has zinc, which will help you to heal acne and other facial scars. Almond oil also helps to reduce puffiness on your face because it is anti-inflammatory in property. It helps to ease out swelling of the skin. I said it earlier on, it improves your complexion and skin tone. It treats dry skin. It can be used for eczema and psoriasis. It also helps to improve acne. The oil's fatty acid can help to reduce the appearance of acne and improve cell turnover. It helps to reverse sun damage. Almond oil reduces the appearance of scars. That is why it is very popular amongst the ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Almond oil is used to reduce scarring. The vitamin E that almond oil contains can also contribute to smoothing the skin, and importantly, it also reduces the appearance of stretch marks. So guys, I'm going to be taking a teaspoon of citric acid and 2 teaspoons of almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you can also substitute with some olive oil. So mix this together very well so that the citric acid mixes with your almond oil and to give you exactly what you are looking for. When you are done doing this, take a bit of this and apply it all over your skin. Just apply this like this generously all over your face, all over your hands, or anywhere you want to make glow or brighten effectively. Do this for about 2 minutes, then leave the mixture on your skin. If you want to, you can wash it off after 20 minutes, but if you see that you are reacting to it, you can wash it off after 5 minutes. I would advise you to do this 2 times a week for you to see great improvements in your skin texture, on your face, on your hands, or any other place you apply this mixture on. So guys, this is my video for you today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, kindly share, and kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you some other time. Bye.